This is the computer-generated weapon that's causing the uproar, a crude, single-shot plastic pistol.
The United States of America will be the biggest exporter of terror if we fail to stop these ghost guns.
Specifications for the gun were developed by Cody Wilson, a self-styled anarchist.
As long as you have the right to keep and bear arms, you have the right to make them.
In June, the Trump administration abruptly gave up on a years-long legal battle to prevent him from putting the gun plans online. Wilson's diagrams allow a variety of firearms models to be made by anyone, including convicted criminals, mentally disturbed people, or children.
This means that more people who are dangerous will have guns and they will hurt more people with them.
In 3D printer technology, machines extrude minuscule layers of plastic or resin that gradually build up three-dimensional objects using computerized patterns. We asked professional 3D printer Peter MENOTTI to make one for us.
Consumer printers are available for as low as $300, so anybody that has $300 can essentially print one.
The designs have already appeared online and have been downloaded thousands of times. 3D printable guns have no serial numbers, so they're untraceable. They don't require permits or background checks, so anybody can have one. And because they're plastic, they can go through any metal detector. Law enforcement officials are opposed, and President Donald Trump questioned the action of his own administration, tweeting that the idea of 3D printable guns, quote, doesn't seem to make much sense. But the guns may be less dangerous to the public than to the person wielding them. In tests by the government Firearms Oversight Agency, 3D printed guns often exploded when fired. They are not as strong or precisely machined as metal guns.
It could explode on you. You could lose a finger, you could use a hand, it could catch fire. There's so many things that can go wrong, which is why printing it is one thing, using it is an entirely separate thing.
Democratic lawmakers are calling on Trump to overturn his administration's decision and are introducing legislation to ban the weapons. But in a last-minute decision, a federal judge granted a temporary injunction blocking Wilson from distributing his blueprints online. The ruling came after 9 states and the District of Columbia brought the matter to court. The legal fight will continue. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.